In a world increasingly driven by digital convenience, the ability to create and sell your own apps, even simple ones, is no longer limited to tech giants. It's an exciting frontier for anyone with a good idea, a little curiosity, and a desire to turn a creative spark into a tangible product. In this video, we'll explore how you can embark on this journey, from conceiving that initial concept to getting your app into the hands of users, and even earning some income along the way. Every great app starts with a problem to solve or a need to fulfill. Think about what truly frustrates people, what tasks could be made simpler, or what form of entertainment is missing. Perhaps it's a quick list organizer for busy parents, a simple game for unwinding, or a calculator specifically designed for a niche profession. The key here, especially for beginners, is to start small. A simple app that does one thing exceptionally well is far more valuable and achievable than a complex one that tries to do everything. Once you have that kernel of an idea, dive into some market research. Who is your target audience? What are their habits? And what, if anything, are competitors already offering? Understanding the landscape will help you carve out your unique space and ensure there's a real demand for your creation. Now, here's the exciting part for many. You don't necessarily need to be a coding wizard to bring your app to life. The rise of no-code and low-code platforms has democratized app development significantly. Tools like Bubble, Glide, or Adalo allow you to build surprisingly sophisticated apps with drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built components, and intuitive visual editors. This means you can focus on the functionality and user experience rather than getting bogged down in complex programming languages. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, we're seeing an acceleration in trends like AI and machine learning integration, where even simple apps can offer personalized experiences or intelligent recommendations without complex coding from scratch. Development with frameworks like Flutter or React Native is also becoming more robust, allowing you to build for both iOS and Android simultaneously, saving immense time and resources. For those with a more complex vision, or if time is of the essence, consider collaborating with a freelance developer or a specialized agency. Remember, regardless of your chosen path, the design and user experience, or UX, are paramount. Your app needs to be intuitive, visually appealing, and, above all, easy to use. Spend time on the flow, the visuals, and make sure it looks great on various devices. Once your app is polished and rigorously tested, ensuring all features work seamlessly and it's free of bugs. It's time to think about how it will generate value. While simply charging a one-time fee for your app remains an option, many developers are now employing more sophisticated hybrid monetization models. This could mean a freemium approach, where a basic version is free but premium features, or an ad-free experience require a subscription or in-app purchase. In-app advertising remains a powerful revenue stream, especially for free apps, with formats like rewarded video ads proving particularly effective, offering users an incentive to watch. Beyond traditional methods, consider creative strategies, like sponsorships from relevant brands, or even affiliate marketing, where you promote complementary products or services within your app and earn a commission. The key is to understand your users' willingness to pay and integrate monetization in a way that enhances rather than detracts from their overall experience.